It's Teacher Paige. It's time for Oh My Stars! Let's go! Today we're going to talk about how I play Mystery Star in my classroom, and I have 6 different ways that you can play Mystery Star with your students. You could cover them with question marks and have them guess, what do you think is under this star? You can move, just one after the other and choose for them and take them off and see what might be underneath. You can cover them with numbers. What number do you want? They can choose, or you can just go in order. What's under number 1? It's a banana. And then when you take it off, they have a nice surprise. I try to choose stars that go underneath that aren't exactly what they think they might be. Another way that you can play, which is my favorite way, is to use the blank stars and write words on them. Make sure you print them off with cardstock, these, because if you do it with regular paper, then they usually can see through to the star behind. So this way, it's reinforcing vocabulary from the lesson, and you can tie that in as they're getting their star. And you can still have them guess, like, what do you think is behind? I think it's a crocodile. Oh, he has a hat. Da-da-da. So they're saying the word and then finding the star that is underneath. You can find the star covers on my Teachers Pay Teachers store for free, and they work with any of my stars. If you want some fun, interesting stars that will give them a surprise, like, they think it's a cat, but, it's a unicorn cat, or, they think it's a moose. It's moose, chocolate moose. The Mystery Star Kit comes with stars that prompt that surprise after their guess. This can also be purchased in my Teachers Pay Teachers store. If you don't have star covers and you don't want to make them, you can also just use the stars that you already have turned around backwards, and you can write your word on the back of the star, and then when they choose, you can then flip it over once they've said the word. I like the covers because I like for them to see the little pops of image around the edges so that they can guess what they think it might be. They can still guess, what they think might be behind here. It's just, I don't know, I like it more with the pop around the edge. Another way that you can do Mystery Star is by just putting a bunch of stars into a surprise container. This is just an empty ice cream container. We have a million ice cream containers. My 2-year-old likes to wear them as hats. So for his 2nd birthday party, we all wore ice cream hats. And he's even got my baby into wearing them too. It's hilarious. That I covered in birthday wrapping paper. And so, it's a surprise. And I like to put a mixture of stars in here so they never know what they're going to get. It's always a surprise. Another way that you can do the Mystery Star is have a stack of stars of your choice and just tell me when to stop. Stop! And then they get their star. Another way is to take a stack of stars and I just start going like this and say, tell me when to stop. Stop! They love it. Hopefully this gave you some new ideas to play Mystery Star with your students. Thanks for dropping in. If you have any questions about how to use stars in your classroom, be sure to drop a comment below so I can help you out. Thanks for dropping in. Be sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you know when I post new videos. Happy teaching!
Thanks for watching!